Time. It's 7:28 p.m. Central Standard Time. A confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado is
Oh my god, another PDS tornado warning!
at 50 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation.
Oh my god, another PDS!
Now. Hazard. Damaging tornado. Source. Weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact. You are in a life-threatening situation.
Jesus Christ, guys.
Debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Hornersville around 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Crossing around 7:50 p.m. Central.
Tornado siren. Hang on.
Lightville around 7:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Steel, entering around 8:05 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Oh my god, I'm gonna play the Is You Siren sound effect. Credit to this user.
15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations affected by this tornadic thunderstorm include Calumet, Dearman, Pascola, Poplar Grove, Lens Ford, Tenemo, Stark City, Booths Point, Armoral, and Big Boy Junction. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Mississippi, Arkansas, and the following counties in Tennessee, Dyer, Lake, and Lauderdale, and the following counties in Missouri.
This is getting really serious, guys.